background is I have the pleasure of being the president and CEO of COSI, which is really fun. But before that, I trained as a scientist and specifically vaccine development and stuff. And so while I don't have all the answers, I just want to have some open conversation, kind of feel how y'all feel about specifically coronavirus, the vaccines, how it's developed. Any questions you have? There are no bad questions. There are no wrong questions. And if I do not know the answer, I'll be like, I don't know the answer. But we can dig in and try to find it. So.
One quick question. When the pill comes, will you just be able to just take the pill? You won't have to get the shot? Is that how that's going to go?
Yeah, it's a good question. So the shot, that's a great question.
That's a good question.
It's a great question. Vaccines and therapeutics. Any pill is a drug, is a therapeutic, right? The difference between a vaccine and a therapeutic, the vaccine will prevent you from getting sick, hopefully, or the disease, right? But if you do get sick, you still want to have a chance at being cured or a therapy. So that's where the pill will come in. So you should take the vaccine, because hopefully you take the vaccine, you'll never get sick. But whether you took the vaccine or didn't take the vaccine, if you get sick, there's a new pill that's coming online that's helping. Now, again, if you take the vaccine and you still get a breakthrough infection, meaning you still get sick, you're gonna do a lot better than if you didn't take the vaccine, regardless of the pill. So in short, the strategy would be to take the vaccine. If, for heaven forbid, you get sick or really sick, as they continue to test this pill and it continues to be, or will get approved by the FDA, then there'll be a drug which will help. All of that will help with the vaccines and stuff, but it's not one or the other. You should take the vaccine.
So that would help. A friend of mine that I said with the chronic
Yes.
had took the shot and ended up still getting sick.
That's right.
The pill would be more apt to help him because he's already gotten the shot and he ended up in the hospital for maybe about 4 or 5 days.
That's right.
And he ended up coming back out.
Because remember at the beginning, they were putting people on respirator or ventilators. Then they were doing all these different kinds of, they're trying all the, scientists were trying to figure it out in real time. Now that, it's about a year later, so now we got a lot of good data, and one of the cool things that's come out is this pill. That's going to be very helpful.
All right.
Well, look, this has been great. I mean, I've enjoyed having a conversation with you. I appreciate the fact that we're all sharing and being transparent about our experiences. And, one thing for sure, we all as a city, as a state, as a country, as a world, want to get out of this.
Exactly.
And it takes a village.
You got a card?
I will leave you gentlemen with all my cards, absolutely.
Yeah, I need one of them myself. That's where you ain't. There he is right there. I ain't doing no organ pack. There it is right there.
Here's the doctor's card right here.
I was just with him.
I do want to say,
I was just with
I
him.
really have to thank you all because it does take a community. These kind of conversations
Yes, it does.
are critical. You want to have them in the barbershops, you want to have them in the mechanic shops, you want to have them Sunday watching NFL. You want to have these conversations because that's how it's going to spread the message in a happy, not to say kumbaya, but in a, can't scare away people, can't make people feel bad.
No,
Right.
Right.
So thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.